All right, I just want to show what's in each kitchen drawer. Here we have a backup remote. This is for cream. This is for the pods for the coffee maker. We have our syrups. Going back through to each cabinet. So it looks like some mixing bowls, cooking utensils, salad utensils, strainer, toaster, a lot more cooking utensils and knives, measuring cups. Going up here, we have a lot of different items. Also, note the coffee mugs, so 12 coffee mugs. Under the stove, we have our pots and pans, and then the lids right above that. Up here, there is nothing. And then here's our range hood, just so you can see how this works. So that turns on the light. Here's our fan. And then we want to turn fan off, light off. And then moving over, we have these empty cabinets, trash bins. Looks like we have 2 for recycling and trash. And then we have our cups, wine glasses, small, tall, kids cups. So you can see that. Some butter knives, and also serving jars, plates, lots of bowls, kids bowls, kids plates, more wine glasses, more cups, a few more plates and bowls left out. Then we have under the sink, we have another trash bin. There is our garbage disposal, fire extinguisher. This is our dishwasher. Also, there's a third rack there. On this side, we also have some cabinets in the island. Looks like some cutting boards here. This is where all the utensils are. These are knives, some kids' utensils, can/bottle opener, wine opener, lot of dish towels, dish rags, oven mitts, baking sheets, and then more baking trays. And we come over here, big empty cabinet, and then that's our oven. This is our microwave. We have a lot of cool, fun, festive supplies and bowls up here above the microwave. Then above the refrigerator, we have more event type items. And then here's our refrigerator. Just below is the freezer. And then finally, the last few cabinets are mostly empty. And then this is where we're gonna have our spices, for the kid, and then our blender. So that is your kitchen.